Hey YouTube, today we're going to tackle a little problem that I have. I have all these miscellaneous clamps and I have no place to store them. And I don't want to build a rack to store them on the wall in my garage. So I want to build a little portable stand out of some miscellaneous pieces of wood that I have. This is all scrap that I had laying around. Here we have a piece of 4 foot by about 11.5 inch, 3/4 inch ply. Couple of pieces of 2x4s that are almost as wide as the plywood. A couple of pieces a little bit longer, and then a couple of pieces that's a little bit longer than that. And then these are just 2 little 6-inch pieces. And I'm going to try to arrange those so that they hold all these clamps without tipping over. The first thing I'm going to do is build a base for this thing. I'm hoping to have this stand upright, so I'm going to build a base using these 2 pieces of 2x4, and I'm gonna screw these into the plywood, and then these are gonna be support braces that's gonna go perpendicular to these 2 pieces. One of the things I'm trying to do is to make sure the base is nice and flat. So I just use these clamps to clamp them against this piece of nice flat 2x4. So when I mount the perpendicular bases, it's not rocking. I'm just going to screw these in and tighten them up. I just clamped this in a vise so it's easy to work with. These are going to be the feet for it. And what I've done is just put some markings on there so I know where to center this up. And I'm going to just screw these in to these pieces here. So I just clamp these down so that they won't move, and I use a speed square just to make sure they squared up and nice. And at this point it's a good idea to just drill a couple pallet holes so that this wood doesn't split, or either of them doesn't split. I'm just using a 1/8 inch bit, and I'm just going to drill some pallet holes. Then I'm just going to drive these 2.5 inch screws in here. Alright. So here's this thing standing freely now, and I've rearranged all these clamps in the order of their length, from the shortest one all the way to the longest ones, and that'll determine how I mount them on this board by attaching pieces of 2x4 to it. Okay, so a little bit of progress so far. 2 pieces to attach the longer clamps to, and let's work on the other side to attach the pieces for the shorter clamps. Alright, so here's this thing with all the pieces of wood attached, front and back, for the long clamps on the back side and the shorter clamps on the front side. Let's go ahead and attach the clamps and see what it looks like. So here's this thing with all the clamps attached to it. Not too bad. That's the front side. And the back side with the longer clamps on the back side. There's still room to add some more if I should have, I guess, some more clamps. Let me know if you like this. If you do, please remember to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.